The government is now under Muhoozi and Salim Saleh. They are the two people running the Ugandan government. Don't be fooled by Museveni showing this and that, or videos of Gen.Muhoozi AI tricked so that.
Breaking news, Lady Winnie Alison Harris wino mukambwe muko olunaku olwaleero ku Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba obadde okimanyi yali mu kubeera nga afuga eggwanga lyattu Uganda saawa zino. Video hanjigwetedde maaso yonogenda kubeera nga obyerabirako ate ye gwe baasibye okubikka Janet Kataha Museveni naye bibye hasi birungi mu maaso awo mbirina Janet Museveni bamuwadde amagezi abaana b'enkyukakyuka naddala bali mu diaspora video amasa unayo weri naye nga tetunnagenda nyongera kujjukiza soko jimpereka like bumaze subscribing wegate ku mukutu gwaffe guno olunaku olwaleero nga buli mukubena ngolaba ku screen y'omukazi amanyikiddwa nga Lady Winnie ono avuddeyo olunaku olwaleero n'ategeeza bannayuganda nga Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba yali mu kubeera nga afuga eggwanga Uganda. Video yino ngikuleetedde omukyala nga abikunnyonnyola sagala bigenda mu nnyo anti this is just reported news.
The government is now under Muhoozi and Salim Saleh. They are the two people running the Ugandan government. Don't be fooled by Museveni showing this and that, or videos of Gen.Muhoozi AI tricked so that it looks like they're still in power. No. Museveni has his own set of problems. For example, seeing ghosts. I understand he's seeing 3 ghosts or shadows that are following him, and he's terrorized by them. He looks at their faces and he's afraid. I don't know what that means, but that man pretends, or that man is constantly performing witchcraft. So it doesn't surprise me that he sees things that may not make sense to us, but because he's so drenched into that belief and all of the witchcraft activities, it is possible that even with the people that he has killed or have died in his hands are coming back to him. I don't entirely dismiss those facts. It's not something I practice or believe, but I know that for him it's happening because that is his reality. You know, when you do something so much, if you believe in something so much, no matter what anybody tells you, your belief comes first. That's why different people believe in different religions. Different people believe in different reasons for existence. Whatever you have that serves you will be your reality no matter what anyone says. Okay? So one other thing that Muhoozi and Salim Saleh are vowing to do, because of the last court session where the political prisoners were brought to prison and they chanted a few things, you know, people power, our power. They were very upset because, especially because they prevented journalists from appearing or being in court to record the event. It is natural that because these people are being held for Computer Misuse Act, some of them, like most of them, are being held, you know, for supporting Noob, obviously, but for the Computer Misuse Act, which was thrown out, okay? It never became law, or it temporarily was, but then it cannot be used now because it was thrown out of court. With that said or known, the judge, who seemed to read everything as if she was ordered to say that certain things, did not or disallowed the presence of cameras of journalists in the room. I agree entirely with the political prisoners because they cannot be tried in the dark as they chanted, because the intentions of the Museveni people has never been pure. Okay? People like Muhoozi, who were arrested, abducted, essentially, taken away, tortured in the dark. Okay? Now we expect them to be tried in the dark as well? No. There's nothing good that comes out of these people. Imagine, or talk less of the fact that they want this court session to proceed without cameras. It is in the same mindset that during elections, they turned off internet. Or when Museveni is planning on moving things around, he orders power to be turned off from other locations. It is never a good intention of Museveni to do anything without a witness, to do the right thing without a witness. Therefore, I applaud our political prisoners. Stay strong, you know, keep the faith. I know it's hard, believe me. Sometimes when I watch those videos, I just can't stomach it. I cannot believe the things that they have gone through. Someone like Waiso Mufumbiro, he was not even there during the drill that they're blaming him for being part of. He was not in the country. Eddie Mutwe, he has never run for office. He does not want to be a member of anything, not a local council member, not even an LDU. Eddie Mutwe just lived a normal life. He's a barber. He has never, as much as he's built or has his, his strong and powerful and this and that.
People say that you are dead and you are not. Just show up and say I'm alive. Because what is needed is just proof of life, and that is all. But in Uganda, should you say someone is dead, it is the police which shows up with the handcuffs. As in the truth, God's silent, and the handcuffs speak loudly. But it is not actually bad for people to begin spreading rumors that someone is dead. Because people don't get that chance. Most of you here, when we hear that you are dead, it will be real. If people say that you are dead and you are not, just show up and say I'm alive. Because what is needed is just proof of life, and that is all. But in Uganda, should you say someone is dead, it is the police which shows up with the handcuffs. As in the truth, God is silent, and the handcuffs speak loudly. But it is not actually bad for people to begin spreading rumors that someone is dead. Because people don't get that chance. Most of you here, when we hear that you are dead, it will be real. We won't even get the opportunity to hear the rumor. So it is actually better to die many times in rumors than once in reality. Because it gives you an opportunity. Your enemies begin celebrating your death too early. Then you get it entertained. Logava, Uganda. Because this is the reality. Being dead when you are alive is actually not a curse. It is a strategy to torment your enemies. That moment when they are happy and they are celebrating your death, you come out stretching and usher them into what we call a moment of mixed feelings. You confuse your enemies. Why not being announced dead when you're not? It's a good thing. In African tradition, when you dream someone is dead, yet they are not, it actually adds years to their life. It adds years to someone's life. How about announcing to the public that someone is dead when they are not? You could be adding someone a lifetime of years. A full lifetime. That is why Museveni currently looks immortal. Do you know how many times they have announced him dead? Naye huyo alengera mukyenda kati. People have announced him dead into immortality. In our culture, death in a dream is a blessing. So, if death in a dream is a blessing, how about death in a rumor? It might be immortality. So, if our dreams are giving someone extra years, we are just dreaming that they are dead and they get extra years. How about one viral post on Facebook, on the streets of TikTok here, that someone is dead? You might be making someone to live forever. You are announcing them dead. So be careful what you announce. Because your enemy might accidentally become immortal. So I am here to tell you that the God that you declared eaten might still be grazing behind the hill. And she might outlive most of you. Not be shocked when a tortoise that was rumored dead outlives all the storytellers.